going to make some really moist banana blueberry muffins. I had blueberries and I had some bananas that had to be used. So I went Googling to find a recipe. So let's get started. You need 2 bowls, one for wet and one for dry. And you need a muffin tin sprayed really well. So I'll put everything in the description box below so you can find it. So you need 3 ripe bananas. Let's see, you want to put all your wet ingredients in one bowl and all your dry ingredients in another. So here is the 3 bananas going in right there. And we have 1 egg going in. And we have some butter going in. This is a 1/3 cup of butter, 1 egg, and 3 bananas, and everything will be in the description box below. So there's our wet ingredients. So on the dry ingredients, we want, let's see, where are we? We want a cup of blueberries. I probably would have put a little bit of flour in here so they wouldn't stick together, but I didn't, not today. Actually, the blueberries, we're going to put in the wet. We're going to put in a teaspoon of baking soda, right here, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of pink Himalayan. I think pink Himalayan's the best salt, but that's my opinion. And 3/4 cups of sugar. And we need 1½ cups of flour, just like that. So what I'm going to do is just going to stir this around just a little bit, just to incorporate everything, and then we're going to mix it in. I hope everybody's having a fine morning today. It's beautiful here in Maine. It's in its 30s. Yesterday it got to 52. I didn't get a chance to go out and enjoy the weather. But, okay, everything's a little stirred in. I like to use, I didn't say either, I like to use King Arthur flour. I use it for everything, my breads, my pies, everything I bake. I think it's, in my opinion, the best. So we're gonna put it in here in the wet ingredients, just like this. And all you want to do is you want to mix it up. It said mix up gently. So we're going to mix it up gently. Oh, those nice big blueberries. These blueberries are high bush blueberries, and they were picked in Fayette, Maine at the blueberry farm. Oh, yum, yum. Really good. And then once you get this all mixed in, you want to put it in your tin. And you want to preheat your oven to 375. And you want to bake that for 20 minutes. And each oven's different, so you might want to go ahead and check. Now you can top these muffins off with some sugar. I'm not going to, because I'm trying to cut down on my intake of sugar, but we'll see. All I can do is try. Oh, this looks beautiful. When I started mixing, I wasn't quite sure, but as I got through it, look at that, how beautiful. Look at those big blueberries. Don't they look yummy? Wow, yummy, yummy in this Grammy's tummy. And here's the tin, and it's sprayed really well. Normally I would use paper, but I'm not going to. I'm going to try it this way. Just like that. I like to use an ice cream scoop. And I was telling you all these have a number. And this is a number 20, and you'd find it right here. And this is my favorite scoop. So I'm going to just start with 1 scoop and see where it brings me. Might want to add a little more, might want to add a little less. I'm not sure. Just like this. How many like blueberries? I have never had blueberry banana muffins. Of all the baking I've done, never had it. Don't know what it's going to taste like. I hope it's going to taste yummy. Because it is 9:30 here, and I haven't had breakfast yet. So I'm thinking maybe this would be good with a cup of tea. That's a little bit more than the others. I think this is going to give a good 12. Thought I only had, yeah, I think it will. It's portioned out really well. That's good. That's real good. So we all know that. So I'm going to put this in the oven, again at 375. I didn't hear my husband. I didn't hear my oven beep, so maybe it's not quite ready yet. But there you go, that's all we had left. And I'll scrape that out. This is what it's going to look like, and I'll bring you back. Okay, it's ready to take a test. There you go, right there. Look how nice they look. And if you want to know if they're done, I'm just taking a skew, or you can take a toothpick, and you just take it and you go right in the middle like this. And when it comes out clean, they're all done. So I'm going to do a taste test. This is blueberry banana muffins. And before I do, I'd like to say you can find me on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. And you never know what's going to be on my videos, neither do I. There's a lot of action going on, a lot of different things going to be going on. So now it's time to test. Look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful? Oh, and just one more thing. I did put sugar on 6 of them, and 6 I did not. There's the sugar and there's not. I couldn't help myself because I knew Ray would like it. Here we go. Very, very moist. Very good because you can taste everything. The banana and blueberry. I'm not going to eat any more because I'm going to heat myself up a cup of tea. You never know what's going to be on my videos. We'll see you tomorrow, and God bless. Bye now.